www.kahoot.it. Hold on. No lobby basic allowed. www.kahoot.it. It says up there on the board.
Or you can just click Kahoot.
Or you can type in Kahoot and you'll eventually get there. Then you're going to put in that game code, 8715502. You're right there on the corner of my desk.
Perfect.
You're going to need a piece of paper out. Not those ones, the other corner. It is that.
Kalani.
She's not here today, but that was one.
Jayana. Let's see.
Does everybody have that tag? Yes.
Yes, he did. Because he wasn't here. Alex.
You got it your answer, yes, you do.
Thanks, Alex.
Kahoot.it. All right, those on the computer. Remember, you need to have two screens. Okay. You go to what's it called? Safari. Go Kahoot.it. And then enter that game code.
Look who joined. It's a double check, but I'm pressing out. That's come on.
Alright. Those on the computer, you need to join as well. Remember, you're going to have two screens open. You're going to have the video screen that's going to show you my screen. Guys, put your real name.
Wait, is it just learning?
Yes, Malaya. Yes, ma'am, Malaya. You can type it in the chat box if you want to. Yes, ma'am. You're in. You just sit still. Once you're in, you're in.
Do you go to sign in or?
Yeah, you just put in game code, game pin. Yes, Malaya.
That's not where is the last time on my computer it wasn't working.
I don't see Safari.
You are.
Put your real name.
That's me. That's my nickname.
Well, I didn't want nicknames. I want real names. Yes, Malaya. You type it in the messenger, and I can get it there too. Yes, buddy. You just sit right there. Now you're just waiting. Cancel.
What do you do?
I just wait. Is Petra's okay if I help some people?
No, they can figure it out. We're in 4th grade. Click on play, then you're going to enter the game code. Once you go to right here, Safari, Kahoot.it.
No, I told you
Type in Kahoot.it right there, and then you're going to click on play. Once you've clicked on play, up in the right corner, click on play. You're going to put in that code. Wonderful. Wonderful. So that's what it's saying. Okay, you're in. Thank you. Put in that code. 15502. Kahoot.it.
it's not letting me in.
Then you're going to click play because you're already in, buddy.
Yeah. I'll say play. Don't mind. Found it. That is funny.
You're gonna need a piece of paper to work the problems out on. So all you need on your desk is the iPad, a piece of paper, and a pencil. So if you have more than that on your desk, please move it off your desk. One piece of paper, one pencil, one iPad. Piece of paper, pencil, iPad. All you need. Thank you. Charles, are you in?
Yeah.
I mean, Charles, Christopher, are you in? I need you. Dude, you're not even doing it right. Click play. Put that up. Put the game in. Once you have the green screen, don't let it go out. Y'all just, all right, once you have the green screen, put it flat on your desk so I can see it. You're gonna have two different, like right up here, like two screens like this. One's gonna be the one where you're looking at my screen, and then the other one's gonna be the Kahoot screen. Get it, Maya? Because you're going to have to be able to see the questions, because you're only going to be able to see the questions on mine. And then you're going to have to answer it on your page. Give these other two another minute or two. Well, yeah, I see you there, girl. All right, let's see. Let's get Vivi. Vivi, yeah. So you'll use that one to answer it, where you'll have the choices, but then you'll have to come back to the camera and look where I'm presenting at to look for the question. But you're gonna have plenty of time to go back and forth. Give Vivian another minute. Vivian, you good? Oh, she left. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start. So, you need to work each problem out. You're gonna have 240 seconds, which is like 4 minutes for each problem. Yeah, it's 4 minutes for each problem, because this is a review for the test you're having tomorrow. Understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Make sure that your screen does not go blank, because then you get kicked out.
Oh, my screen went blank.
I know. Click on the home button.
I am.
Okay, maybe you're tight. Sometimes don't hold charges.
Oh,
That's why I grabbed that.
That one's dead.
But I guess you just ain't playing.
That's because it's not in. Mine is at 99. Oh, got a screen.
Somebody else isn't in. I should have 14 people in. Jayon, are you in? Are you Jay?
See, I'm
Jordan? Where are you at, Amar? Wait, Amar's right there.
Yeah, I'm a classic below over here.
Benjamin, Cody, Nathan, Sebastian. Who am I missing?
Charlie.
Kamani. All right. go with that.
Yeah, first I was 13.
Okay. All right. We're going to get started. NBT 1 through 4. Quiz. Solve 8,346 plus 7,208.
Not let me get past this. See?
Hold on. Hold on. We're going to exit the game real quick. Just give me a minute, okay? They kicked everybody out. I'm sorry. Because Charles messed up.
I didn't mess up.
All right. Everybody log in again. I'm sorry. Different code. Please forgive me. Well, because Charles got himself kicked out. Please forgive me for Charles's mistake. 243120. 243120.
I don't know what just happened, but I was open my and it just
It'll probably die. There's some that don't hold charges at all. Number 2.
the rock. Who said? Wonder who is that?
Alex.
We can't. JJ.
No.
Wonder who that is. Sweet Yeah, my name's Omar with this little sign. I don't know what it means. Oh wait, no, I know. The Rock. It's a rock. That's what it is. It's a facial expression. It's just a sign. Yeah, it's legit just a sign.
All right, when I have Amaya, what doesn't let you in? Go to Kahoot, www.kahoot.it. Try again, baby. I'll give you a minute. Get quiet. 5. Alex. You should be able to get in. Three. Go to www.kahoot.it and then click on play. Go 243120. You get it, Vivian? Enough. It's the nurse. Somebody got kicked out. All right, if you just want to do the work without doing Kahoot with us, that's fine. Just make sure you're doing the answers. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14. Should be 15. Come on, Vivian, you can do it, girl.
Wait, who's in the call right now?
Vivian and Malaya. See, Malaya's right there. Queen Malaya. Kalani. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start. All right. All right, solve 8,346 plus 7,208. You don't need to talk. Yes, Vivian. Vivian, don't worry about playing. Just answer it on your paper, and you can just check it off once you get it right. Because it's probably not going to let you in now. Yes, Kalani. Just answer it on a piece of paper, baby. Just answer it on a piece of paper. You're just not going to be able to do it with us on Kahoot, which is a bummer. Just answer the question. Don't let your screen go dark.
Oh, you gotta click.
Charles, don't let your screen go dark. All right, let's look at this problem. Let's look at this problem. So I'm going to go back to my live image. We have 8,346 plus 7,208. 6 plus 8 is 14. Put down my 4, regroup my 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. 8 plus 7 is 15. Count over. 1, 2, 3, comma, 15,554. All right, next.
I'm 16 behind Charles. How is that possible? Charles, I have a question.
Because of how fast you answer it.
I don't know.
All right, next question. Solve 14,263 plus 19,372. Hey, you beating on it multiple times. Just get one.
It won't let me
You beating on it's not gonna make it. You just have to hit it nicely. Yes, ma'am.
Is this pedestal?
You just lost connection, or you can relog back in.
It won't let me. Yeah, I just lost connection too. That's what it was.
All right, let's look at this problem.
It wouldn't even let me answer.
What?
It
What?
kept me on this the whole time.
Oh. Well, we can get the next one. All right, 14,263 plus 19,372. 3 plus 2 is 5. 6 plus 7 is 13. Put down my 3. Regroup my 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 9 is 13. Put down my 3. Regroup my 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3.
That's what I got. That's exactly what I got.
Wonderful. All right. Next, well, let's check out the leaderboard. Hey, bro, still up there. Winner gets a piece of candy.
Bro, how does
What about the online?
All right, we'll log back on.
how did Gabriel answer so
Come here.
fast? He got that in
You lost connection.
He got that. He got it in 10 seconds. That's how fast Gabriel answered that.
Oh, just get the www.
I was in seventh place.
Hey Gabriel, question. How are you so smart?
Called perseverance.
When I'm at like high school or something, I'm gonna go to Philippines and I'm gonna ask how did they get so smart in one day?
Like, he answered it in 10 seconds. That's how do you do that?
He didn't answer it in
Oh,
10
I
seconds.
got it correct anyways.
Go grab another iPad that's over there.
Team told me green worm is which is a race type.
Yes.
See the other choices?
No. Only the
I don't know about the English.
Nathan moved up 4 spots.
Yeah, Nathan is also.
Nathan?
Why do I want to do Yeah, I'm liking what this iPad is.
Did you get it?
Why am I looking? I'm behind by 20
I don't remember the game code. Code 243120.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yes. Even though we just went. Emergency. You're right. I'll give it to you today. Remind me. What? What?
Connection is lost. My brain gets lagging as badly as that iPad is.
It probably feels it. Probably feels your connection.
My brain will at least take 1 minute to answer the question while Gabriel's over here answering in
Oh,
10
the internet got
seconds.
shut off. These iPads are crappy.
Does that iPad have cellular?
Okay, there you go.
Thank you.
Okay. All right, next question. You good, Camille?
Yeah.
Okay. Vivian, did you ever get it figured out? Alright, next question. Solve 46,801 minus 5,823. Make sure you line your commas up. What? Subtraction?
I'm confused about the zeros.
Well, if you have nothing to give, then you can't.
2 take away 0 is 2.
You can't.
No?
You can't take away 2 from 0. If I have nothing, can I give you something? You got to regroup. Alright, you'll be fine. There's only 20 questions, and we're on number 3. 22 questions, we're on number 3. You got about a minute and a half. A minute 30 seconds. You're good.
Yeah.
Let's just pick. You're good. Got about 30 seconds. So if you have not answered yet, you might want to make a good educated guess. You're missing one, or about 15 seconds. Make a good educated guess. No sir. All right, let's look at this problem.
Let's literally go.
46,801 minus 5,823. If I have 1, can I take 3 from it?
No.
No, but does my next door neighbor, if there's more on the floor, I need to go next door. Do they have anything to give me? No, so I need to go next door again. I'm changing my 8 to a 7, change my 0 to a, excuse me, 0 to a 10. Now, does next door have something to give me? Yes, I'm going to change my 10 to a 9 and change my 1 to a an 11. 11 minus 3, 8. 9 minus 2, 7. 8 minus 7. If there's more on the floor, I need to go next door. So I'm going to change my 6 to a 5 and change my 7 to a 17. 17 minus 8 is 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. 5 minus 5 is 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. 40,978. All right, let's check out that leaderboard. Monty's on fire.
Yes, sir.
Moving up into first.
Hey, I have a question.
What? Huh?
Mask pink. How do you get so smart? I study
All right, next
all summer, my mom.
question.
What is?
60,032 minus 21,833. Remember, if there's more on the floor, you need to go next door. If they have nothing to give, then you got to go again. There's more on the floor, you go next door. If there's nothing to give, then you gotta go again. Then you gotta go to the next person.
Yeah.
That was pretty tricky.
I'll try my best
Yep, and I did.
to find things that were tricky. It makes me feel like a good teacher.
God, I wonder what type of horrific thing y'all are doing. Mrs. Pfeiffer,
Yes?
what's those things like those people that do this is the fourth question. Like when they like that stuff when they do like the air stuff and it's like supposed to be like a real like type of virtual thing. Like,
Wait.
open a door and stuff.
Hold on, say that
It's like
again.
they climb a road. It's like in France or something.
Oh, I don't know.
They were like, I actually got that right, and I answered it in 10 seconds. Like, I literally tried so hard.
Alright. 3 minus 2. More on the floor. Go next door. Change my 3 to a 2. Change my 2 to a 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. nothing to give, then I gotta go again. Nothing to give, I gotta go again. Change my 6 to a 5. Change this first 0 to a 10. Then now I have something to give. Change this 10 to a 9. Change this 0 to a 10. Now do I have something to give my 2? I'm change this to a 9. Change this to a 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. 5 minus 2 is 3. Count over 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3, comma, 38,199. Alright, let's check out that leaderboard. Chris is on fire. He's got a streak going. 4 answers in a row streak. Not quite enough to get to Kamani, but he's getting close. Alright, next question. Right? What is 41,623 in expanded form? Done throw that out there for y'all. 41,623 in expanded form. Go ahead, Nathan.
Oh, about that question, it's about those little.
Say that again. Yeah. Are you okay? Now I can listen.
So they're in times. They do those little things like those anthems, like they're coming.
The mimes.
Yeah.
Mimes. Yes, where they're like they're in a box
Yeah.
or they're
So,
opening a door.
So girls, that's
All right. Let's look at this problem. Expanded form. The only reason it is not B is because you cannot have 41,000. Remember, when we break it down, we're breaking it down by each one of its pieces right here. So you say 40, that's in the 10,000th place. So you do 40,000 plus 1,000, because you got to do each one of them individually, plus 600 plus 20 plus 3. Very close call with the writing. So it cannot be B or that one because of that's 41,000. You have to do it each individually. Because if it's a 5-digit number, as long as none of them are zeros, then there's going to be 5 different things. All right. Good board. Changing up a little bit. Amari's in 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm so smart.
I know you are. You're all really smart. All right, next question. What is 10,000 plus 8,000 plus 200 plus 40 in standard form? Try the next one. I think that one's already a dead one. Here, hold on. Come here. Because we're reviewing for our test, we're going to have more, and there will be questions like this on the test.
Yeah. Standard. Oh, you'll still be standard. Well, it's gonna help you. Yeah.
Can't say I didn't, can't say I didn't review. Alright.
Wow, that's good.
So when I'm doing expanded form to standard form, really what I'm doing is I'm adding. So I line up my digits where they belong. We had 10,000, 8,240. Zeros plus 0 is 0. Zeros plus 4 is 4. 0 plus 2 is 2. 8 plus 0 is 8. And 1 plus 0 is 1. So even though, yes, it is an easy question, there were still people that got it incorrect. So that's why we're reviewing.
There's people that got it wrong.
Let's see the link to the
All right, next question. Look at the. Oh!
Yes, sir.
All right, next question.
Gigi, what's her?
What is 203,110 in written form or word form? So you don't actually have to write this one down. Just read the choices. 203,110. Sorry.
What's yours out?
It's not. That's mine.
Do you want to try?
Because she's killed 3 iPads today so far. I'm just kidding. The battery went dead on the 3 that I gave her. Waiting on Una Mas.
Everybody answer this question so fast. Why is there a pencil people on my hand?
I don't know. Bless you.
Here. Oh, it's red bad.
Oh. No? I don't know who it is.
What happened? I'm done. I don't hear it. Nobody cares. Yeah, I think they got
There's still 3 in the game.
Three of you?
3 of you. 2. This is the third. I'm one. Let's start.
Okay, alright, put it on my list.
Working on it. That means everybody has to end slow.
Well, hey, I think we're waiting on you, baby. Patience isn't y'all's virtue, apparently. Bad. Maybe should run the bathroom or something. 203,110. It is not the blue one because that says 200,000, 3,110. You gotta read your choices. The red one, 200,000, 3,110. Nope. 203,010. No, it's 203,000, comma 110. You gotta read carefully.
Yes, I'm in second place finally, bro. I've been waiting for this forever.
All right, next question. What is 313,280 in expanded form? Some of y'all are just guessing and not trying to get it done quickly, and you're going to get it wrong.
I got it wrong again.
Cause you didn't think your time. You counted your chickens before they hatched.
I got this one.
Okay? You got this, bud. It's okay, still up there. It's okay. Still up there. Okay, well, answer your questions, right? Magic or not? We lost Mariah. Mariah, is yours still working? Not right here.
Is Mariah only one on there?
I am on. Wonderful. Wonderful. Good job, baby. Oh, well, maybe I took, sorry. Yes, Amari.
Why do you not do Zoom class calls?
What?
Why does this school not do Zoom class calls?
Zoom class calls?
Where are you going? There's this app.
Right, because the county bought Google, because we use Google more because of our emails and stuff.
Oh yeah, it does use Zoom.
And something with, I don't remember, there's something else with Zoom, I don't remember what it was.
Yeah, people be happy.
Something like that again.
In Zoom, you can hear your
I
voice.
like when they change this to
You can't read your voice.
Hello, sir.
Miss Pfeiffer, what is this? I do not know.
Just click cancel.
That's what I have for a while.
Okay, it's because every time you shake it, it's trying to undo the typing. Kind of is, but I bet you there'll still be people that got it wrong.
I like the music.
I got it wrong.
Because you didn't take time.
I got it right.
Gotta take time.
I took my time.
I took my time.
I took.
And I didn't. And got it right.
I'll still get it right. 3, 2, 1.
All right, let's look at this one. All right, get quiet. Get quiet. All right, so we're going digit by digit. You should be looking up at my board right now. All right, so we're going forward. So we have 3 in the 100,000th place. So we're going to say 300,000 plus 10,000. So that 1 right there. Then I have plus 3,000 plus 200 plus 80.
Oh, I get it now.
You have to break down each individual unit. It is not the triangle because you have to break it down by each digit. You can't leave 313,000 by itself. Can't be the circle because you can't. I'm about to take the iPad and you're not going to participate on the iPad. You can do it pencil paper. I need you to calm down a little bit, please, okay? It cannot be this one because we can't have the 13,000. It's got to be each individual digit. Each place value has its own value. Fast, you're moving up. All right, what is the value of the digit 2 and 172,435? 172,435. What is the value of the 2 and 172,435? Jayana, you doing good over there, baby? I'm sorry, baby. What? They're all dead, so they're off. What? Everybody safe. What is the value of the digit 2 and 172,435? All you gotta do is look at what place it's at in the place value chart. Look at it, what place it's at. If it's in the blank place, then the value is blank thousand or blank hundred. You can do it, Jordan, I got you. What? Huh? Okay.
Wait, there's 22 questions.
Yeah, plenty of time.
I'm gonna have to go this way.
Who's that?
I don't know. I think it's Alex's thing. It's Alex's. Yeah, and then he accidentally clicked Siri. Siri, can you please open Snap? Imagine. And just one thing, don't do that on my
The
phone.
alarm is off. It's off. That's my alarm.
Got about 30 seconds. Yes, sir.
Could you be 10 or 9 to have Instagram and Snapchat?
Can I do what, do when, where, and why?
Can you be 9 and well you be 9 or 10 and still have Instagram?
It's up to your parents.
Oh well, I didn't ask my parents, but I got both of them. And she did not before.
All right. So the 2 is in which place on the place value chart? In the thousands place. So it is that number by times 1,000, which is 2,000. All right. Number 10. What is the value of the 4 in the number 47,682? Think about what place it's at on the place value chart. Yes, sir. Can you do what? It is not 400,000 because there's not a number in the 100,000 place.
Which one got it wrong?
I got
Who got it wrong?
I got it right. And I'm still in 5th place. Are you serious? Okay. It was
Hey, you don't need to broadcast everybody else's business to the world.
Yeah, stop bullying my cousin.
That's not bullying.
I know bullying means.
Okay, then
That's not mean.
I know. We'll talk about that later. We'll talk about that later. Nothing changed on the leaderboard. Round 58,233 to the nearest 10,000th place. 10,000th place. Because you got to be sweet to it. You can't be grouchy to it. I don't know, buddy. I don't know. Just got to be easy. One thing. Probably doesn't understand three fingers at one time. Twinkle toes. Easy. You clicking it like that is not going to get it to answer. Click it nice. Be nice. Be gentle. Be gentle and nice to the poor iPad. They're already breaking as is. Yes, sir. You may take a math break, but you may not talk. Excited for my lunch. They're waiting for one thing. Oh, jeez. Poor people that watch this video are so shaky. Okay, Malaya left, but I guess she's still on. Kahoot, maybe? I know she looks cute.
I don't
I know it's board in between questions. We're just giving everybody enough time so they can answer their question. Leave my bulletin board alone. That's why I don't like children over there on the bulletin board. I don't leave it alone. But COVID thinks otherwise. You have less than a minute. I don't know who it is. But
There's supposed to be parking.
I don't know. We just have to wait. Stop, please. Hey, Miss Chambers. It's good to see you. Come on in. All right, let's look at this problem. It says round to the nearest 10,000. So I underline my 10,000s, place my 5s in my 10,000. So I go next door. Look at my 8. My 8 has my 5. It needs to do what?
Go up.
Go up. Raise that score to a 6. Everything in the box and behind it changes to a 0. Yes, ma'am.
So, Dad
Mhm.
called back.
Okay.
He said he's trying to do it online, but he's not getting much of a. So, I told him I could put 2 in the box.
Okay.
So I put a little basket out there. I put 2, and I told him make sure he does both, one for your child and one for mine.
Wonderful.
So hopefully, he said he'll come by today, get it done. I said,
Absolutely.
don't take the papers from here, just stay right there.
Yeah, just
fill
go
it
ahead and fill them out.
and
Need a
leave
pen.
back
We'll
in the
put one in there.
basket. So let's hope it works.
All right, let's have a test. All right. Next question.
I got 58,000.
If I got it wrong, then I'm still.
Round 1,825 to the nearest 100. 1,825 to the nearest 100.
Yeah, you say that now.
I got rounds again.
Underline the digit you're rounding to, put a box around the one to the right. The one on the right shows the left. And it either needs to stay the same or raise the score. What do you mean?
Pure
So put it on the right and then put it on. That is small.
I got it wrong for sure.
Well, we'll look
No,
at it.
I got 2,000.
Well, we'll look at it. You rounded to the thousands place, not the hundredth place.
You mean rounded to the hundredth place?
No, you rounded to the thousands place and not the hundredth place. If you got 2,000, that's not correct.
Oh, well, I got 1,900.
Hey, why? Why must you run? And you don't have your mask on. let's look at this one.
Yay. How many colors have like
So we rounded to the nearest 100. So I underlined my 8. My 2, I boxed in my 2, the number to the right of it. My 2 tells my 8 it needs to do what? Stay the same. So my 8 stays the same and my 1. Nothing changes about that. And then everything in the box and behind it changes to a 0. So we have 1,800. Next leaderboard.
I got 1,000.
All right, next question. Woo! Round 3,125,200 to the nearest million. Million places the 3. Millions places the 3. We've been doing it with our morning work.
I don't know what just happened, but I was filming. It just green part. Green is red.
All right, you shouldn't be talking.
The millions is the one.
I'm just saying it's too easy and they're gonna get right. Oh, Matthew, oh, you're on the leaderboard. You're flexing now. Okay, buddy. You got it. Oh, God, it's a big flexer over there.
Hey, hey, hey. Hey, you can go fill it up.
No, I'm talking to Chris. Cause what's he doing? He's singing the screen. That actually is kind of funny.
Stop shaking it. That's how things inside break. Enough. Stop tapping your pencil, please. You haven't got it yet? Take a good educated guess.
It's definitely not the
Don't need your input. Don't need your input. That's just some of y'all think I do. Take a good educated guess. Jordan. Take a guess.
I guess. Oh, the guess is 3 million.
All right.
Wait, I see.
Let's look at this problem.
I got that right.
All right, let's look at this problem. Live image. We're rounding to the nearest millionth place. So my 3 is my millionth place. So I put a box around my 1. Is 1 5 or less or 4? No. Is it 5 or more or 4 or less? 4 or less. So we let the 3 do what? Rest. So everything in the box and behind it changes to a 0. So the answer is 3 million. A million. Alright, we got some switching up.
Why am I still in the same place?
I don't know. Alright, next question. Round 4,142,000 to the 287 to the nearest tens. Nearest 10. Nearest 10. I can't ever do that TikTok. I tried. Know what? I'm with the time. I'm with the time.
I got Twitch also. I really don't want
Oh, I don't have that.
Roblox is trash.
Oh no. Oh come on. We can't. Don't be talking bad about things. That's just not cool, man. You may not like it, but some other people may.
I don't play Roblox anymore.
Okay, but that don't mean you need to trash it.
I forgot to give you the money. You legit did. You legit did talk to me for
Hey.
I'm assuming
Rounding to the nearest 10. What? It's a 0 that gives me. Yep. I have to break out some more Tic Tacs later. One minute. I haven't even gotten to the... Hey, Dad. Sorry. Hey, Dad. All right. Live image. Do this quickly to the nearest 10. Right here is my tens place. My 8 is my tens place. My 7 tells my 8 it needs to do what? Go up to a 9. Everything in front of it stays the same. Everything behind it changes to a 0. Ooh. All right. Hold on. Alright, compare these two numbers. 583,937 is blank. 538,397 is blank blank. 538,397. Is it less than, greater than, or equal to? Because there's only, it's not less than, greater than, equal to, or not it. There's only 3 choices it can be. They could have put a random thing up there, but they were trying to save you. Put your mask on all the way, please. Huh? When it's lunchtime? Hey, sit down. It's not.
No, actually, no, it's one more goal. I just sent home. I know. Miss White, but I put this out because I had this sent home.
Not right now.
Yeah,
Not right. When we're done with math, you must.
That's some spoiled water. Water can spoil and that's what I just said. Yeah, I had a pair of water. That's why I don't even know. Yeah, I know that because they still have the cap on it. Without the cap on it, then it's gonna get like some dust and stuff. It's still water. What's the word? Yeah, it's how do you say
Tyrannosaurus. It's Tyrannosaurus. Tyrannosaurus.
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
All right. Come on. I'm going to go ahead and go to my live image. Because I'm reading this. All right, so stack your numbers. You start on the left side, you have 5 and 5. You're the same, so you go to the next digit. You have 8 and 3. Which one is bigger? The first one, so 583,000 is greater than 538,000. It doesn't matter right now. All right, next question. 47,482 is blank blank, then 47,428. Give everybody a chance. It's not lunchtime yet. We still got 8 minutes. So we gonna use them 8 minutes to do this math.
It just kicked me out for some reason.
Well, get back on.
We can live 30 to 1 month without 30
The code's in the bottom corner.
Yeah, so I literally stay home and play Fortnite for a whole 10 hours. I know.
Christopher, put your mask on. Hi. Oh, I ain't doing no TikTok. I don't do TikToks with students. Because I don't.
I'm still logged on, but it's not letting me do it because when I type in my nickname, which I was saying Charles, and it says this nickname is already
Yeah, because it is 2000.
Okay.
I'm already logged in.
Okay. Then you should already log you back in.
Because it's
You shouldn't have to put a new nickname in.
2000, but with a zero.
Put play.
It's equal to 20,000.
Huh?
But it says don't forget to enter your nickname. It's not letting me do it.
Hola, amigo.
That.
John Cena.
No, Chris, is this so easy? Please. This is so easy. It is this. No, I'm just saying it's so easy, but it's way too long.
Alright, I'm going to go ahead and go to the live image while the last 30 seconds goes. Alright, we have 47,482 and 47,428. You start on the left side, go 4 and 4. It's the same. Move over, we go 7 and 7. It's the same. Move over, we got 4 and 4 again. It's the same. Move over, we got 8 and 2. So which one is greater? This one is greater, so 47,482 is greater than 47,428. All right. Hold on, let me check. Hold on, don't do that one. I'm going to skip this one. I'm skipping that one because I want to get to a particular one. Hold on. I'm skipping this one too. I'm sorry. No, I'm skipping that one too. Let's try this one. All right, here we go. Compare the values of 9 in the number 9,426 and 10,492. Remember we said the 10 times the value, 100 times the value. Hey.
They're both the same answer.
They're not. They're not. Alex, put your mask on, please. Jayana, make sure your mask is over your nose and mouth, please.
Alex, you got 2 seconds. I told you to protect my shirt. Stop. That's enough. I shouldn't have to tell you ignore. Should, Miss Pfeiffer.
Alright, let's look at this let's look at this problem. Alright, so the first 9 is in the thousands place. So it's 9,000. The second 9 is in the tens place. So it is 90. So how do I get from 90 to 9,000? If you look at your place right here, this is going to be times 10 times 100. Okay, so if it's 1 to the left, it's times 10. If it's 2 to the left, it's times 100. So be times 100 equals 9,000. So if we go back to our thing over here, we have 9,000 is 10 times greater than 90. No, because it is 100 times greater. 9,000 is 10 times greater than 900. We have 9,000 is 100 times greater than 90. And then we have 9,000 is 100 times greater than 900. So 90,000, excuse me. So the answer is the circle. 9,000 is 100 times greater than 90. Remember, like in our morning work. 90,000 is 100 times greater than 90. Remember? Because all of our morning work is if 11 times, or 121 equals 11 times 11, then blank equals blank times blank. Blank is times as many as blank. 9,000 is 100 times as many as 90. Because of their place value right here. That's 9,000. That's 1,000 place. That's 10 place. And answer is the circle. All right. We're going to end the game right there. It is time for lunch. Let's check out the podium. Gabe in third place. The Rock in second. And Chris. Very good. All right. As you are runner-up, Ben and Kamani. Good job. All right.